DartPad, the online coding environment for Dart and Flutter. Guys, if you are finding a problem to install the coding environment on your computer, or you have a potato or a bad computer that is not good for the coding of Dart and Flutter, please you can opt with the online editor. Again, please, this editor, it's supported on the mobile phone. Yes, how do we access it? Just go dart.dev. You see, it's dart.dev. This is the URL of the DartPad. Yes, guys, this is the DartPad, and if you see here, it has two environments, Dart and Flutter. So you can program with it with the Dart and Flutter. Yes, here is okay. For example, here is the demo code for Dart. Let us see. Let us delete and start our own and see if it's okay. Main. And you see if it's okay. Let us see if it's okay. Let us see if it's okay. Print. Print. Hello world. Because it uses internet, it may be slower than the editor because it has to execute things online. Yes, we have got the answer, so you can use it well, my dear, though it may not produce an application or assign the APKs as you want, but it can do everything, most of the things with the Flutter and Dart. Yeah, even let us switch with the Flutter and see. You see, if you can run this demo code of the Flutter and see the results. Let us see. I told you it uses internet, so it may be slow a bit for it to execute things. Yeah, it has printed hello world. Yes, guys, thank you for now. Please, I've put the link of the DartPad in the description. Yeah, I've put, please you can find the link in the description. Thank you, guys.